plus, parenthesis, the natural log, and that automatically places a parenthesis on my screen, 5.0 e negative 7, close my parenthesis again, so there's 2 on it. I find my calculator saying right now it's negative 15.96. That's simply kind of just number crunching what I have on the right hand side. The natural log of A, 1 year later, the concentration remaining at 1 year, has now been simplified to be this value, negative 15.96. We want to pull out A. We don't want a natural log associated with it. Now if you look on top of your ln key, natural log, you see an e raised to the x. That's known as Euler's number, e. We're going to have to hit that. We want to know e to the negative 15.96 is going to give us the concentration of A 1 year later. So on my calculator right now, I have negative 15.9586 still on the screen from before. I'm going to hit second function, ln, and now I see on my screen e raised to the caret and negative 15.96, close my parenthesis, and I find a value 1.17 times 10 to the negative 7th. The concentration unit from up above was grams per cubic centimeter. After 1 year that's gone by, that's the remaining amount of our insecticide. We started with 5 times 10 to the negative 7th, and now a whole year later, there's 1.17 times 10 to the negative 7 grams per cc remaining. Now along with this question, how long will it take for the concentration of the insecticide? How long will it take? Looks like we're being asked to solve for t. That's the time variable. How long will it take for the concentration of the insecticide to drop to 3 times 10 to the negative 7th? We know the initial concentration from the story problem. It started at 5. It's dropping down to 3. How long is that going to take? So what we'll need to do is set the natural log of 3 times 10 to the negative 7th grams per cc equal to negative k constant, 1.45 per years to the negative 1. We'd like to know t. Now I ran out of room there, so I'm just going to carry that down where it says plus the natural log of the original concentration, 5.0 times 10 to the negative 7th grams per cubic centimeter. Our target variable, right there, the time that went by. Simplifying, I would start simply by hitting the natural log of 3 e negative 7 minus the natural log of 5 e negative 7. When I hit equal, I'm at 2.67. Now I'll divide by negative 1.45. And I get t equals 0.352 years as my answer for t. Strategy says we want to find the remaining amount. I simplify the left-hand side, natural log there, hitting again with me, 3, natural log of 3 e negative 7, negative 15.019, that's where that's at. Since it's adding this, I'll subtract it from both sides, minus the natural log of 5 e negative 7, close parenthesis twice, and I get 0.352 years.